when you were sitting in prison and you are so open about it, talking about all the
Have to
times
be.
you were in the hole and just the loneliness. And when you were there, could you visualize you getting out
Oh,
and
dude,
and being this person that you've now become known for?
I didn't have any money agenda, but I just had a vision. Like I was walking up to a soccer field and my son was playing soccer and I was just jacked. I was ripped, I was jacked. I had this demeanor that this motherfucker's been through some shit, but this dude's loving. This dude will give you his time. And I was driving a nice car. That's my only vision I had. But no, I was already like, I'm gonna have a tattoo model wife. I'm just drawn everything I'm drawn to, I go get because I have a vision and I have a massive level of self-mastery. The motherfucker with the high level of self-mastery will manifest anything he can visualize because he doesn't even realize he's doing all these little steps daily that are making that vision come through. That's his ultimate driver. So every push-up I did, every fucking burpee I did, every year on lockdown that I spent, I literally was envisioning I was doing it for my future son, my future wife, and I needed to get harder every day. 10 years wasn't even enough for me to get prepared to be the right man I needed for them. I'm still learning every day. They teach me every day. But I mean, literally, I'm able to give them a life now and give them security for the rest of their life, all fucking ready. And the thing is, we're not stopping because we don't want to kick our feet up on the beach. I literally don't want freedom for my purpose. People want freedom and free time. I don't. That's when I'm tortured. That's when the desires and all the shit comes into play that I can't do and don't want to do that's not aligned with my vision. I've given my life to my purpose. And literally, I don't even want freedom from it. I wait till I'm fully tapped at the end of a long workday. And that's when mentally and physically I'm just done. My throat's fucking trash. I'm fucking drained. And then I say, no, I'm taking this last call. This person needs me. I get on that call. Now I'm able to go on that call for 90 minutes. I'll go overtime because I won't even realize I'm in flow state. The spirit takes over and I'm literally operating from a level that motherfuckers will never know because they're selfish. They're worried about my throat, my fucking time. I want to do this. I don't do that. I'm just worried about you. Like people with relationship issues, people with financial issues, just breaking through everything that's limiting people because they're victimizing, they're ungrateful, they're fucking in an improper mindset to really crush it in life.